7:24. Just got back from Walmart. A little bit later this morning, I ended up dropping off my fiance over at her studio so she could get working on the wedding gown that she's working on. And then I ran to Walmart because I'm going mountain biking later. So I needed to grab a helmet. And it's cool because the helmet has a camera mount, so I'll be able to get some cool clips. And also, when I was at Walmart, I got this shirt. It's pretty cool. It says, "Grow through what you go through." And I thought it was cool. It was only $5. Walmart has some really cool clothes. I can't even lie. But now I'm getting ready for my walk. Got the weighted vest, and then gonna pack up the Camelback. Actually, I need to grab my water. So water, and honestly, all I bring is water. I don't pack much. And then we just put this bad boy on. So I usually have to pull the hood through so it doesn't get all fucked up. Got the weighted vest, still 45 pounds in it. And then I use my shoelace, or a shoelace, to get it. Come on. This is usually the hardest part. Bang. Got it looped through so that way I can tie it and it's not like flapping around like a motherfucker when I'm walking. Come on. There we go. Okay. So just do it in like that. And then just like a normal shoe. Bam. And then same thing today. Probably only 3.2 because I'm going mountain biking. So then just do that like that. And then the Camelback goes over top. Bam. That's the setup. It's ready to go. It's light out today, so maybe I'll take a clip, even though I threw one in yesterday. Whatever, we'll see what happens. If not, I'll be there on the trail. See you later. Bam. Halfway there. This is the turnaround point. This is where I usually walk to. If I'm not driving to the trailhead and starting from there, this is where I walk to and then I turn around. Anyways, pretty cool. I can keep going if I wanted, but that's it for today. But we'll turn around now and then head back and get ready to go mountain biking. See you then. Bam, done with the walk. 3.3 miles. The duration says an hour, 6 minutes. It took a little bit longer because I was on the phone with the Hyundai dealership being like, "Yo, can you guys fix my shit so I have a car?" So they're gonna, I'm gonna go take it in in about an hour. So I was gonna go mountain biking today and plans got canceled. My friend is also having car troubles and his car is also in the shop. So we're gonna postpone until next weekend. Either way, glad I have the helmet. So that's it for training today, really. I mean, I'll do some mobility and core work. But it's Saturday the 30th. So yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast now and then edit and post yesterday's video, shower, go pick up my fiance when she's done working on that wedding gown, and then we'll go from there. See ya. No mountain biking. I used my legs instead. And this is it. I've never been here before. This place is literally only like 8 minutes away from where I live. I will be coming back often. Anyways, that's it. Yeah. Really? That's cool. I did not know that.
I just think it's so silly because
A tall boy. Oh. Skinny boy. Well, skinny boy and friends.
jumping choya.
What are they called? Jumping choya?
Jumping choya.
Jumping choya. Woo!
There's some down here too. If you get close to them, they'll jump. Like, look.
Oh, not too close. Poofy boy. That was the top. You loop through and then bam. Yeah. Done with the walk. 1.6 miles plus the 3.3 this morning puts me at 4.9, so just under 5. And then I'm gonna run to Target later in a few minutes. I'm gonna go in and eat real quick and then run to Target, so I'll get some more steps then. And then tomorrow I'll pick back up on the walk and see what is up then. Anyways, thanks for hanging out. See you tomorrow.